If you go to the palace of Mutebi here, there is something called Wankach. Wankach. The Abaganda say Wankach. They talk about it. Where did Wankach come from? They don't know. But we restored you so that you discover all these linkages. Instead of that, they are just busy with the parochialism, localism. Wankach is a Luo word. Wankach is a Luo word. Omubara, Lubala is a Luo word. Do you have any real rules here or they have also disappeared? Lubala, it is a Luo word, meaning anthem. So, the linkages of Uganda, I know them. That's why I restored these kingdoms. Because I wanted them to, I didn't see them as necessarily a danger if they were properly used. But now these opportunities are there, just there, looking localism,